So welcome back to a new video. Today I want to talk about Fibonacci retracements because a lot of people see Fibonacci retracements as a thing only support resistance can do, which is completely wrong. Everyone can use it because it's a tool that got backtested often enough to have set rules where the price normally wants to go after having an impulsive move. So it's really good in combination with smart money concepts if you use it in higher time frames to identify the area where it probably wants to retrace to. And especially if you see it matching with a fair value gap, for example. So you have like a fair value gap in this area like this, I don't know. You always want to wait until it's in the fair value gap and in the golden zone as well. So you have two confirmations matching with your thing, and you can easily add it to your trading plan, which isn't like hard to do because it's a set rule always. For example, if you see like a fair value gap, it can be different. If you say, I only want to trade a fair value gap that is valid, but that's something you have to decide. But the Fibonacci retracement, it's always the same numbers. So if you don't follow your plan, it's just because you didn't follow your plan. It's not something you did wrong or you just did bad, you know. It's something you have rules in. And I'm gonna show you how you can use it correctly and also use it to your advantage and how I use it. I normally like it in combination with a fair value gap, but you can also use it in combination with like a volume area, for example. So let's say you trade with volume and you have like your consolidation kind of here, and you do it from here to here. Okay, this is a bad example. Here, okay, this is a good one. So let's say this would be the consolidation that you want to target, or like the volume you see. You see that we have a value gap right there. We have the impulsive down move here. This is the lowest point here. So we take it from the highest to the lowest point right there, which is really easy. And then we wanted to react of the golden zone, and the golden zone is randomly completely matching with the volume area and also with the fair value gap. So this is probably the point that wants to retrace to, like this area here, somewhat like this, and you can draw it like this and delete everything, and you have an area where it's probably gonna retrace to. So it's really good for your daily bias. So I'm even saying this, that this will probably happen, something like this, and then it will hunt for this. And you already see that we have a good daily bias. It's probably gonna take liquidity here, so it's faking out people. But wait, I want to have this flag. So if you go lower time frames, it's probably gonna fake out people, take this liquidity or something. Wait, am I gonna draw that cleaner? Fake out people here. Wait, no, it's gonna do something like this probably. Here, fake out people here, but just do another bounce. Go into this area, react to it, and then we will have like the movement down, and we will have something like this. So this is the actual point we want to retrace off, and here you could catch it. If you see like a fair value gap here, you can catch this, and you like you go off of this fair value, not fair value gap, like liquidity or something. Then you can wait. You want to see that people get faked out here, and you can enter off this fair value gap once again, aim for this thing, and then you know it's probably gonna reverse in this area, and then you can trade in the opposite direction. I want to quickly introduce my partner, my Flash Funding. I'm not just saying this because they're my partner. I really like this prop firm, and I think it will be one of the biggest in the future. They have such a small profit target by just 6%, which is easily obtained by just two 1 to 3 risk reward trades. And if you want to get yourself an account, this is my code. Link is in the description, and let's go into the video. And every time, here again, if you see the low, this is a volume low, so I wouldn't take this. Here you see the low, it's matching again with a fair value gap here. So it's a really good point you want to enter off, this one, because it's matching with a fair value gap and Fibonacci retracement. So I would like to enter here, and I actually would take the trade, because I'm pretty sure it's gonna go up now. And it's not like it wants to take liquidity out in higher time frames. It just took liquidity, so it's probably gonna go down, just retrace off that. It could even only go until here if it's really impulsively, but it's Asia, so it's probably not gonna do that. But even if it does that, you just miss a trade. You don't lose a trade, you just miss a trade if that happens, and this is completely fine, since if it goes here, it's probably gonna react, but if it goes here and go up, you just miss a trade, you don't lose money, which is completely fine. And this works on every pair, as I say every time. And here, I think we can even see that it tapped below the 50% mark here and reacted off that. That's normal. I like this one more because it's more likely that it's gonna react to that, but if it goes all the way down here and then react, it's a higher win rate, but it happens more rarely. But I rather take the higher win rate than gamble that the 50% mark is right. But obviously, if I see like a order block matching here, you can clearly see that price wants to go up after reacting to that. And you see that after you make the Fibonacci, you always see that it went below the 50% mark in this order block and reacts to this. Also, it's hunting for this liquidity after reacting to a Fibonacci retracement here. Actually, right? Yeah, the golden zone perfectly. Here's the golden zone reaction. Then we made another impulsively move, and instantly the same thing happened again. And then we hunt for this liquidity. Easy trades that you could have took without having that much knowledge. You just need to know what liquidity, fair value gap, order block, and Fibonacci retracements are. You can easily combine it with the other things and have a higher win rate through this. So I wanted to talk about that. And that's already it for the video. It's a really small video, but I wanted to talk about that because a lot of people don't use it for no reason, because they think it's something only support resistance can use, which is completely wrong. And yeah, if you like the video, subscribe and like. And also, I have a Discord where I'm answering questions. If you have any questions, just go there. I'm also hosting giveaways in that. And yeah, see you next time. Bye bye.